I love showcasing homes in this section of Watertown. Today we're going to have the opportunity to see one of the most well-preserved Victorian homes in this area. These homes were built around the turn of the 19th century, and the level of detail would be difficult to reproduce in today's market. Today I'm going to take you through 155 Paddock Street. Let's start in the kitchen, which features granite countertops and plenty of cabinetry. In 2018, the owners installed new Thermadore appliances. The kitchen is set to the back of the house and has room to eat in, or in the summer you can bring your meals out to the back deck. The mudroom has plenty of space to store your coats and boots after coming in from the garage. The downstairs is huge with plenty of space for everyone. The floors feature decorative wood flooring. These homes were built with tall solid wood doors that you just won't find in new builds. Your eyes are drawn to the beautiful woodworking in each room. The downstairs features a double living room, formal dining room, and a fourth room which would be perfect for an office or second living room. Let's check this out and then head upstairs. The upstairs features 4 bedrooms and 2 full baths. We're going to take you to the true master ensuite. Now, it is rare for these Victorian homes to have such a true master bedroom. This room has a walk-in shower and extra space for a sitting room or home office. This room is a true getaway at the end of the day. Are you interested in seeing more of this home? Stop down to our office. You can walk through the home virtually without even leaving our office. Or get a hold of me and we can take you through for a personal showing. Thanks for watching.